Hi guys, it's me Jimmy again. So the question is that I have installed 8 GB RAM, but my computer can only use up to 4 GB of RAM. I mean 4 GB of RAM. Yeah, so in easy word, I will put that 8 GB RAM installed, but 4 GB or 4 GB RAM is only recognized. For example, if you upgrade your RAM to 8 GB, 16 GB, but your computer can only support up to 4 GB, it cannot use anything above 4 GB. So the number one thing you must do, restart your computer, go into the BIOS. If you don't know how to go into the BIOS, every computer have a different, I mean, when you restart the computer there will be a black screen. Just try to read at the bottom. Sometimes they will say press del, press F1, F2, press escape key, sometimes even space key. I mean, just read the instruction. I think within 1 second it will, I mean, the screen will go away. You need to stay focused on the screen when you're restarting. I mean, just enter the BIOS, navigate to the advanced system setting. Every BIOS is different, but most of the time overall concept is same. Just go into the system setting and try to see how much RAM is there. If you have installed a 4 gig, you have installed extra 4 GB over the 4 GB, totally it means 8 GB, 8 GB RAM. So in the BIOS, if it's seeing as a 8 GB, they list 8 GB RAM, 4 GB per stick, another 4 GB stick. Then there's no problem with the RAM is not faulty. The second thing, go into the system setting and to try to see whether your Windows operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit. I see a lot of this thing happen. If your computer is 32-bit, you cannot use up to 4 GB. Only the maximum RAM you can use up to 4 GB. The 64-bit operating system can use up to 192 GB. And remember one thing, the Windows 7 or the Windows 8 Home Premium can only use up to 16 GB of RAM. You need a professional window, I mean Windows Professional 7, 8, 10, whatever the hell you want to use. I mean to use more than 60 GB. But the question is that 8 GB RAM installed, 4 GB RAM is only recognized or working, or whatever you want to say. So the most probability is that the Windows 32-bit. Upgrade your Windows. I would say why not buy a new Lexus system? I mean, yeah, that is the main cause. If the RAM is fault, number one, check in the BIOS. If the BIOS is saying only 4 GB installed, but you install 8 GB, go back to the shop. If you bought from New Egg, just return the RAM. The RAM is faulty. If it said that the RAM is 8 GB, then it means your operating system 32-bit. That's simple. I hope you like the question. Check out my another tech question. Subscribe to my channel. It's me, Jimmy again. If you have any question, just leave a question. Just leave in a comment box below. You can hate me, just dislike me. You can like me, just click the like button. But you cannot ignore me. I'm Jimmy again. Jimmy again. Subscribe to my channel. It's me, Jimmy again.